Hello, so today I'm going to be drawing a horse. So start with the jawline. The muzzle, the lip, the bottom lip. And don't worry if you go wrong, because just do it in pencil, like an outline, and you can always rub it out and try again. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just do it. Just go for it. That looks a bit narrow, so there we go. A little bit wider. That's what you can do with a painting as well. You could do a little outline in pencil first. There we go. We'll put the eye around about there. Nice big friendly eye. That looks too far on its jaw, doesn't it? Maybe actually should draw the jaw a bit larger. See, no one's perfect. That's why practice makes perfect, isn't it? Right, actually the eye can go back there. Why does that look so odd? Right, the ear. Big forelock. As you can tell, I'm left-handed. They say a lot of creative people are left-handed, but I don't know if that's true. The ear coming from here. Hope you can see it and I'm not blocking it with my hand. The mane, the neck. So it's like he's turning. Let's do the nostril. That eye still doesn't look right, doesn't it? It looks like it's on its jaw. And I've smudged it a bit, but I'll paint over it anyway. Right, the muzzle going to be a bit bigger. So I've drawn the head a bit too long, maybe. Oh, it's quite slender. Make the muzzle a bit bigger. It's got a blaze. And obviously you can shade it in as well. And then let's do, it's like his body and he's turning. So his head on, and you can put some grass and flowers at the front. Let's do the mane a bit more. Nice flowing long mane. Let me know what you think in the comments. Obviously there's room for improvement. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.